Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. If you're new to my channel, do click like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Okay, let's get started. I have a problem accessing creating the connection to my Facebook page just now with Zapier. And for example, like this, right? It couldn't load. So how do I fix it? It couldn't load. I even appoint which Facebook page I just tell Zapier which Facebook page to look for and assign, and even load all the Facebook pages is still not showing the Facebook page. I actually already signed into my account. It's able to recognize the Facebook page, but it's not able to connect. Okay, the app is able to sign into account, but it's not able to connect. So how to fix this Facebook page? Okay, I actually asked the AI under another app. I actually do some testing. I asked the AI that how my Facebook page is not loading, and this is the reason why is the Facebook page field is null. So I need to get the page ID, of my Facebook page. Okay, go to page there, about the page ID listed. Actually, it's not here. I couldn't find it. So how do I get my page ID? You can go into your Facebook page, click on the title, the big title over here of the Facebook page or your channel, and then this is go to transparency and privacy policy. And there you go. This is your page ID. So you just copy the whole thing like this, and then you just paste it. Page ID. Okay, then it's able to add. Okay, then you add the page ID into the Facebook, and then start working. Okay, start working on it. So that's how to fix the problem of the Facebook page is empty. Now you see this one I'm able to connect. This is I'm able to connect to my Facebook page and auto post. Okay, so if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel to share with others as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.